Ingredients of meat. We need 1 kilogram of sheep meat. This meat should be of young sheep or lamb, because the older sheep have unpleasant smell in the food. This point is very important and we must focus on it. It's also preferable to contain bones, because it adds a wonderful taste. But it can be substituted with any meat you prefer, from cows or others. But the sheep meat is very tasty in this recipe. 2 big spoons of cow ghee, 1 big onion, 4 cardamom, 1 small spoon of curcuma, half a small spoon of cinnamon, 1 small spoon of black pepper, 1 small spoon of spices of meat, big spoon of salt. And I have separated the salt from the other spices because I will add it after the meat is well done. Let's prepare the onion. At first we will peel it and wash it well. Then we will cut it into medium-sized cubes, like this.